Good morning, students. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about mod 10 4-bit counter, right? Mod 10 counter. So, what is mod 10 counter, right? So, for a normal counter, for normal up counter, it starts from 0. If you give clock pulse, then it will increase, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 15 it will increase, right? So for mod 10 it means only 10 state will be there, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? After that if you give, right, after that if we give one clock pulse, again it goes to 0 0 0 0, right? For normal counter, normal counter starts from 0 to 1115, right? For mod 10 counter only 10 state, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you give next clock pulse, then it goes to 0 0 0 0, right? This is called mod 10 counter, right? What we have to do, so a small modification I am going to do in 4-bit up counter, right? So as per this one, 7474 IC, we are using two ICs, right? So each IC is having two flip flops, two D flip flop, here also two D flip flop, right? So 410 410 and all preset, and 113 113 is a clear pin, and 311 311 is a clock pulse, right? Here the output is 5959. Okay, so this circuit I am going to add for working the same circuit as mod 10 counter, right? So here as per theory, this is my Q0, it's Q1, and this is Q2, this is Q3, right? So here it is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, right? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q2, Q1 and Q0, right? So here as per based on that I am going to change the reset logic. This is a reset logic circuit, right? So it's Q3 as Q0. So this is my Q0 bar, and Q2 as Q1 bar, and this is Q2 bar, right? So here where is Q2 bar? Here it is a Q2 bar, right? This is a Q2 bar, right? Here Q2 bar, and Q1 bar, it is a Q1 bar, right? So these two I am giving in one AND gate, right? And Q0 bar, where it is Q0 bar, is 8th pin I am connected in Q0 bar. So output of the AND gate I am given to OR gate, and one more pin from OR gate is Q0 bar. So the output of this OR gate I am going to connect in clear. I am going to connect it in clear, right? So after this if you give clock pulse 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? 9. Then if you give one more click pulse, it goes to 0 due to this circuit. This is called reset logic. This reset logic, it makes after 9, if you give one more clock pulse, it change to 0 0 0 0. It will erase all the flip flop preset value, right? So past state, it reset all the past state, right? So now we are going to check this mod 10 counter using a trainer kit and verify the truth table. Yes, now we are going to verify the mod 10 counter, right? So here again these are the outputs, right? Q3, Q2, Q1 and Q0. So here we given 3 input, and this toggle is a clock, and this one is a reset, and next one will be preset, right? Here two 7474 IC we connected, right? So each 7474 IC is having a 2 D flip flop, right? So here these two circuits are called reset logic, right? So as per the diagram, one AND gate and one OR gate, right? So Q2 Q1 is Q2 bar and Q1 bar will be the input for AND gate, and for OR gate output of the AND gate, and Q naught bar will be the input for OR gate, and the output of OR gate we connected to the clear button, right? So I given as per the circuit diagram, right? Now we are going to verify whether the circuit is act like mod 10, right? So switch on the circuit. So first reset it. First you reset the logic, right? So now first pulse you are giving a first pulse, so 0001. Second clock pulse 0010. Next 0011. Next 100. Next 101. Next 110. Next 111. And next 1000. Next will be 1001. Then if I give next clock pulse, it goes to reset, right? So next clock pulse it goes to 0, right? So this circuit is act as a mod 10 up counter, ripple counter, right? So again we will check. It's a first clock pulse, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then it goes to reset level, right? So the reset, it's happening due to this reset logic circuit, right? So this reset logic circuit we have to design using K-map simplification, and based on the simplified circuit we have to rig up the logic diagram, and we have to connect it in counter circuit diagram. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about mod 12 4-bit ripple counter. Thank you.